Leveraging data and partnerships strengthening girls' education in emergencies with women's rights organizations. Key facts. In sub-Saharan Africa, more than 30% of primary school-age girls are out of school, compared to 17% of boys. Refugees and IDPs are rarely factored into national policies, severely limiting their access to quality education in emergencies. Burkina Faso and Kenya do not report sufficient data to receive a score in the SDG Gender Index on the indicator on NEET, not in employment, education, or training. This means that advocates and policymakers are missing key information about adolescent girls and young women. In addition, the outcomes of the most marginalized groups are often not captured in national averages, making them invisible in public policy. Key findings. Any solution to girls' education in emergencies in sub-Saharan Africa must start with those who have a strong understanding of the challenges facing them. In this case, women's rights organizations in Burkina Faso and Kenya. Key gender barriers to education access: gender-based violence, discrimination, child and forced marriage, and lack of access to healthcare and menstrual hygiene management and other basic services. Plus, unpaid care work and domestic labor, school fees, prioritization of boys' education over girls. Even those with access face issues such as poor quality facilities, large class sizes, lack of qualified teachers, and lack of gender parity among teaching staff. Key recommendations. Incorporate women's rights organizations more through decentralization and at every stage. Address the diversity of challenges through partnerships, which can provide a more intersectional and cross-sectoral approach. Data is useful and important, but there are issues with access, reliability, and amplification of results. Organizations should receive clear instructions on how to access government databases and how to use them. Large institutions imposing fund structures have limited understanding of local contexts. They are imposing colonial power dynamics and forcing grassroots organizations to compromise programs for basic resources. Funders should listen, decolonize funding practices, and apply participatory approaches to program design and distribution of resources.